to my YouTube channel. So today I will be showing you how to use this. So I know you'll be wondering like, okay, I ordered this and does it work or how does it work? All right. So I ordered this. I got it from Amazon, Amazon Prime. I ordered it yesterday and it came in like yesterday. I ordered it yesterday and it came in the next day. It was for $19 something, 19.99. But I'll put the link below for this one. So let's go ahead and open and see what we have here. Okay, it has 4 free bags. That. This. Okay. Okay guys, let's go ahead and try it and see how it works. I guess the operation instruction, this is what it comes with. So, well, but I just plugged it in. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this. I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna use the small one because it comes with 2 sizes. It has this bigger one and the smaller one. So I think that was a good deal for $19.99. So you wanna try that out with the link below. So I'm gonna use this and I think I can place this here. All right. So let's go ahead and add some everything. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little. Chili, is it all the way? Stay with me, we almost there. We're almost there. Alright, so I'm gonna try it on my hand, but I'll let it cool off. I'm just gonna take it out this way and let it cool off. So guys, alright, this is it. So if you want to see how hot it is, you can do with this. Right? Of course it is hot. Right, let's do it on my hand. We'll try it here. See how that goes. So I'll do it towards the hair growth. Alright. I can put this here. Alright guys, let's go ahead and put this. I'm gonna pull it on this so I don't burn myself, and I'll try and pull it against the hair growth. The hairs, you can clearly see that the hairs around in this area is all gone. Okay, so it works. All right, so I just have to apply more, add more beans to it, and get into work. I hope you subscribe to the YouTube channel and tell me what you think about it when you try it at home. All right, thank you.